name is Andrea Coughtry. Welcome to my new listing at 4813 Chelmsbury Lane. Let's get to the fun part. Follow me to check out this kitchen. Beautiful dining room, which flows right into the custom, just renovated Atchison Heller kitchen. Every home needs a custom built-in coffee bar. And what home is complete without a built-in bar, custom sub-zero wine refrigerator, and nugget ice maker? Last but definitely not least, get a look at this master bedroom. Thank you for touring my lovely new listing with me. If you have questions about buying or selling, just reach out to me and I'll see how I can aid you in finding the perfect property.